Everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today is going to be a building refresh. I'm going to be cleaning up the building, getting it back in order again. It is chaotic in here, as you can see behind me. There's just stuff everywhere. It's been a construction zone for months and months, and we are still in the process of finishing up the building. It'll be a while before it's completely done. We still have electrical to do, more insulation and drywall, and the reality of the situation is we are working on this building when we have extra time, you know, when we're off work and stuff. So yeah, it's definitely not moving as fast as I thought it was going to, but we will get it done eventually, and that's all that matters. Sometimes great things just take time. But today I'm going to clean up. I'm going to be creating a little workout space over here in this back corner just to have a nice little spot for myself. I have been really wanting to just exercise more. I have been going to the gym, but the convenience of working out at home is just tops here. So I'm going to create a little workout space for myself. I am so looking forward to this. Y'all have no idea. I've been wanting to be able to use our building, and the time has finally come to actually make it useful instead of just a storage zone. We have quite the mess to clean up, but not to worry. It actually looks worse than it is, in my opinion. It didn't take me too long to clean it up, maybe like an hour and a half. And really all of this stuff is just tools. It's equipment, tools that I need to finish the building, but we don't really have anywhere else to put it until it's utilized, so it kind of just stacks up everywhere. And yeah, it's a little messy, but I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with everything real quick. That way you can just kind of get an idea of my game plan. What I'm going to do is put this table here along this wall. That way we can put our saw there. All the wood will be fine where it's at right here, so I don't have to keep moving that stuff around. This is just one big panel of insulation that we still have left, so I'll just kind of stick that over here behind the washer and dryer just to get it out of the way. The plan is to not waste it and just throw it up in the ceiling before we, you know, go through and add more insulation up there. So I'm just gonna try to find a spot for everything that's out of the way, that's a lot more functional, so it's not so chaotic. And then what I'll do is actually hang some curtains up right here just to make it a little prettier until we get to drywall. It's not gonna stay like that forever. It's really just a temporary solution. But I just want it to look nice, especially like if I'm gonna be filming like workout videos and stuff. I want the background to not be such an eyesore, so I'll do my best to make it as functional and pretty as possible. But let's go ahead and get all this stuff out of the way and just like kind of reorganize everything.
Tell me what it feels like to let go of everything you thought you'd ever known. All of the promises they broke. Tell me what.
Okay, so these totes right here, I'm basically just gonna move these and stack them nicely up underneath this table here, just so that way they're out of the floor space and it'll just kind of be like one contained work tool area. At least that's my game plan. These boxes just need to go outside. I need to round up all that hose. Oh, that's gonna be a whole job. I need like a retractable hose thing. I don't know what they're called, but I need something because this is a nightmare. And then, yeah, just kind of move all this stuff around. Just trying to sort things, I guess, a little bit better, make it make more sense. But yeah, but I moved this insulation panel right here, and it's already kind of like closing it in, kind of giving you an idea of what it's gonna look like as far as size goes. Y'all, I cannot wait to get this building done. It's been a very slow process, but when it's finished, it's gonna be worth every headache. So I actually have some good news, y'all. We have officially moved on to insulation and drywall. By the time I filmed this video and had it edited, we already have one wall done, and we just had a mini split installed, which you will hear all about that soon. I actually am working with a brand on that video, so that is so exciting. And we, during that process, which you'll also hear in an upcoming video, we quickly realized that drywall is not for us. And I'll save that for that video because it's a lot to share, but we did start drywall, we did start insulation, and things are actually moving along, so super exciting update there. Oh, I'm ready to have this done. We are getting to that point now where we're getting antsy. It's like, oh, can we just finish, you know? But yeah, one step at a time. But look how much better it's already looking, right? It's like you can actually see the floor finally. It's been like a good 2 months since you've been able to see the floor, so this is great.
I know for sure what we have is something worth fighting for. With bad news knocking at my door, but I like it like that. We go all in and I'm falling, but I like it like that. And it's so wrong, but still so strong, but I like it like that. Now we catching fire, 'cause you take me higher. You know you're everything that I am.
These are the curtains I ended up getting. They are 84-inch blackout panel sets. So these were just the most affordable. It comes with 4 panels. That's why I grabbed these. They had different black ones, but I also like the texture of these black curtains instead of the other ones. The other ones seemed a little bit too like kind of on the plastic side. So I'm hoping these will work okay. I'm gonna open up one just to kind of get an idea of how high I want to hang them. Change of plans. I'm actually gonna use these beige curtains that I have, and I think I'm gonna return the black out panels because while they were affordable, I didn't realize how small they were. Like each panel doesn't even open up that big compared to like these curtains I got off of Amazon. Look how wide one panel opens. You see the difference? Like I'll take up so much more space versus with the black one. So I'm gonna return those, use these instead. And I already have these on hand, so it saves me money. Check it out. I went by Walmart to return those black curtains since they were a little too small, and I happened to find this outdoor rug on clearance for $15. So it's gonna be perfect for in here temporarily as like a little workout rug, because I typically use my mat when I work out too. So Y'all, I am so excited about this little gym setup because y'all know what, when I initially started my fitness journey, I lost around 25 pounds, and one of the ways that I was able to lose that weight and maintain it was by having exercise equipment at home. And if y'all remember, if you've been watching for a while, I actually had a little gym set up in our spare room at the time, and having that equipment at home was a huge help on my weight loss journey. I was able to stay consistent and work out at my own convenience, which was really important to me. And it's something that I'm excited to have again. It's been a while since I've had a little gym set up, so having the building, getting to this point, being able to at least set up my equipment out here, it might not look the prettiest, but to have a spot for myself feels so great. And y'all know, as busy moms, like, it is so hard to find time to work out in our busy schedules, let alone hop in the car and go to the gym. And if you have little ones, that is just not even an option. So being able to have good quality, affordable equipment at home is really important, and I am honored and excited to be working with Yesoul Fitness in today's video. We're going to be putting together the exercise bike and the treadmill, and I'll share a little bit about it with you guys. Today, I'm going to be setting up the Yesoul G1M Max exercise bike and the Yesoul T1 treadmill. But first, we're going to set up the bike. This was super easy to put together. It took us about 30 minutes to get it all set up, and just a few extra minutes to set up the free screencasting feature, which is actually my favorite feature that the Yesoul fitness equipment has. It has a 21.5-inch FHD screen that also has the 360-degree rotation. Now, hear me out. Exercise bikes are expensive, okay? And I'm sure most of you have heard of the Peloton. However, the Peloton is extremely pricey at over $2,400. That's insane. Can you imagine spending that much money on a bike plus a $24 per month subscription when you could save over $2,000 and get this Yesoul G1M Max, but still get that same experience? That's less than a fifth of the price of the Peloton. This will save you thousands on just the bike alone. Now, I know I mentioned that the screencasting feature is awesome, and let me tell you, with a 360-degree rotation, you can take a moment, hop off your exercise equipment, and still watch the screen, or even follow along with the workout if you'd like. You can also see the screen from different heights and positions. I love the screen, the speaker system. It just feels like you are working out with a trainer. Like,
Get the power zone 3 together.
I love it.
Final set of jumps. 3, 2, 1. Walk it up. Come on.
And this is Candace. She is so motivating. She makes me want to push harder and harder. It just kind of helps you escape the workout itself and makes it so much more enjoyable. Highly recommend. Now, my personal favorite exercise equipment is definitely a treadmill. I love walking and I love running. And this Yesoul T1M Plus treadmill is a great fun cardio workout because it also has the screencasting feature, same as the Yesoul bike. And once again, you can listen to music while you're running, you can catch up on your favorite YouTubers, or even on your favorite shows. But what really captured my attention with this treadmill is the fact that it offers a flexible, foldable design, allowing it to be easily folded and stored in the corner, or just out of the way. Any space-saving feature on anything when you have a small space is essential. It is great. Now, not only are you going to get a great affordable price on this equipment, but you are never going to get bored again when you're working on cardio. With a big screen like this right in front of you with the speakers, it just makes you really escape. I know I said that multiple times, but I truly mean it. When you can escape the actual workout itself, it makes staying motivated, getting healthy, staying fit so much easier. Make sure to check out the links down below. Make sure to shop the Black Friday sale as well. Save you some money while you can. When you can get great equipment like this at such a great price, you don't want to miss out. Now you can actually enjoy fun cardio with Yesoul. Okay, so here is the new gym setup. I love it. I feel like I have like a little space for myself. It's so nice. I even have my little water tower set up, the AC unit's going. I did end up switching around the bike. I had it face the other way, but then I turned it this way so that way when I am wanting to see the screen, I can turn it and do my workouts like on my mat. But also because if someone's on the treadmill and I'm on the bike, then we can like see each other without having to like break our neck. So when my husband wants to get on the bike out here and like watch his screen, I can get on the treadmill and we can walk together and still be like looking at each other, you know? So I thought it turned out so good. I love having this little space. It feels like, I don't know, it just feels like the building is coming together finally, like it's actually useful. We're about to get the mini split installed, and then we'll actually have like full AC. We'll be able to move on to like insulation and drywall and all that good jazz, but it just feels real, a little bit more real now that we have like a little setup out here, and the building's becoming more functional. I'm loving it, and it's just much more clean and organized now. It doesn't feel like a crazy eyesore. I still got all of our tools piled up, but we're gonna be using these for a while until we're done, so everything needs to still stay out, but at least you can see the floor. That really makes a huge difference. And he likes to hang out here with me. Excuse me. Noxaboni. Noxaboni. Excuse me. All right, a lot of progress was made in today's video. I am so thankful to have this space and to also have the building cleaned up. This is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like right now. Much, much better. I can actually utilize this space, so that's exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Thank you, Yesoul, for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to check out all the links down below, and I once again appreciate you guys for being here. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all. This for me? You like it?
Phone's ringing.
Oh, I hear it. Yeah, that part. Oh, he saw himself in the mirror. Who is Dad? He's actually laying there, this little turkey. Why do I have to give it to you? I'm moving just as fast as you are.
I don't think you are.
You stop it right now. I'm being slow? Are you kidding me? Because you would have been just as slow as me.
I've been done.
Whatever. That is so rude. You just don't want to sit there and do nothing. I'm working it.
What are you doing now?
Shut up. It's hard to twist this thing.
It's not.